Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD Canadian dollar. We'll speak about Bitcoin dollar, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. What we can see here is quite a big reversal on the weekly time frame, and from my perspective, there is a fake breakout and a trap for the buyers that happened last week and basically in the last 2 weeks. Seems like the breakout traders got trapped here and the sellers are taking control and really took control from buyers. And there is a chance for quite a bigger drop on the Canadian dollar. There is even a chance for a drop towards 1.3 595. So in terms of pips, that will be, on the short term speaking, that will be about 160 to 200 pips downside from here. We also had this bear flag yesterday. So far, we can see also we had also another bear flag, so the downside continuation is very likely to happen. And this is my favorite trade idea for this week, basically, and for today. So idea to the downside and the Canadian dollar. Now, on the Bitcoin dollar, we can see that market had a downside move, some buying tail at this point, and we can see some reaction from buyers. But at this point, also, we can see that market is doing some wedging on the way up. It seems like the market is losing the power, and in case of the downside breakout, potential downside breakout can lead the Bitcoin dollar lower towards 49,800, and then eventually even towards the 43, 44,000 mark. So eventual breakout of this kind of rising wedge on the rally, on the normal rally, can be a good sell trigger. On the dollar index, we can see market is reacting higher after the 2 down days. We had a reaction higher. We have quite a big resistance around 103.65, declining 10-day moving average in the previous swing low. Weekly so far building the pin bar, but we don't know if that will remain until end of the week. But so far we have that support from this swing low on the weekly time frame, and we'll see if this can hold for this week or not. So far just a corrective reaction on the dollar index. On the gold market, we can see market is in quite a heavy consolidation on the weekly time frame in the last 4 weeks. So I will say only if we see the breakout of either resistance at 2,500 or support around 2,358, we can see some significant directional move. At this point, just a range development on the gold market. On the crude oil, we can see the consolidation, but a short-term downside environment and potential retake of 72.40 can be a good sign for the drop towards 69.60 or even 68.20 mark. And on the NASDAQ, we had a pin bar tail from 2 days ago. We had a short-term downside environment. Weekly had rejection of this previous swing low, 17,000 mark. So I will say resistance is set at 18,750, 18,600 mark. Declining 10-day moving average is there. So there is a chance for either a little bit rally and a potential downside move, or we can also see potential downside move straight from here. And especially if we can retake the pin bar low, it can be good confirmation. That'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.